Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Keeping Up with BB. It has been a minute since I've been on here. I've just been super busy, but I'm back today with a Glossier demo and review. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Glossier Play color slides, and I got 4 colors. And one of the colors that I got is actually newer to the color slide line. So I got Fuzz Club, which is this baby blue color. I also got Early Girl, which is this green color. I got Nectar, which is this yellow. I also got Jumbo, which is an orange. Let's go ahead and get into the video. So I also got the Glossier Priming Moisturizer Balance, which is their new moisturizer. I got a sample of it. You can pick one sample when you shop off of Glossier's website. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that out. And I do have oily skin, so I was really excited to try this product out since it's their first moisturizer that they made specifically for those with oily skin. So this is what the consistency is like. It's definitely like a gel water cream consistency. So I'm just going to, doesn't have a scent at all. It did dry down pretty matte feeling, I would say. So now I'm going to just apply my makeup, and I'm just going to be using products that I've been loving lately, that I've been wearing for the past month or so, before we get into the color slides. So I'm going to be applying the Range Beauty True Intentions foundation. I have mine in the shade Rio, and this is a clean beauty brand, and it's also Black owned. And I have really been enjoying this foundation. I'll say 2 pumps. I normally take about 2, and I go like this, and I apply it with my fingertips, and I just rub it in like this. And the reason why I do this is because I actually really don't like how this product applies with a brush. I just feel like the foundation just gets absorbed into the brush bristles, and it just gets really streaky on me. It's a very unique formulation, and I think that's a reason why it's just not my favorite to use with a makeup brush. So I just like to put it on with my hands like this, and it blends out pretty well. And I really like how you can color match on their website, because they have like a lot of different brands that you can choose from, and a foundation that you know fits you. And they have like, you know, you just put in like, I think I used Fenty. I'm 385 in Fenty, and it gave me Rio as my shade match, and I think it's really, really good. And once I have that on, I'll just buff around the edges and just make sure it's blended out on my edges here. And I really, really like this foundation. The coverage is really good. It's like a true medium coverage. You can still see, you know, some hyperpigmentation through there. Just to further conceal any hyperpigmentation that wasn't covered up by the foundation that I may still want to conceal, I'll use my Glossier Stretch Concealer, and I am in the shade G4. This is one of my favorite concealers. I just like to take my foundation brush, and this is an IT Cosmetics foundation brush from their Ulta line, and I just like to just tap it where I wanted a little bit more coverage, and I'll take a little bit excess off and just on my paper towel like that, just so I'm not getting too much product, and I'll just blend the rest out like that. So now I'm gonna go in with my other favorite product that I've been loving at the moment, which is also from Glossier, and that is the Glossier Cloud Paint in Storm. Mine is all dirty now because it's always in my makeup bag and I'm always reaching for it. So I'm just gonna take about that much. I always apply about that much, and I always like to use a stippling brush too. This is the e.l.f. stippling brush. I think this brush is $3, y'all, and it is one of the best makeup brushes I own. Y'all, I forgot to put concealer under my eyes. Getting a little bit of that Glossier Stretch Concealer in G4. And just gonna conceal under my eyes right here. So now I'm gonna take my new favorite setting powder, and I talked about this in my June's favorite my June favorites. It's the Range Beauty Smooth Out Translucent Setting Powder. And I have mine in the shade Golden Light. Looks like this. This is the perfect under eye and all over face setting powder for me. The best powder that I have come across overall, and definitely in the clean beauty space. And this is also from Range Beauty, and y'all, I think this powder is only $16, which to me is a really good price for the performance of this setting powder. For my brows, I'm just going to use the Glossier Brow Flick in brown, and I'm also going to use the ColourPop Brow Boss Gel. I don't have the Boy Brow from Glossier. I've never tried it, and this is actually only my second time trying the ColourPop one, so I'm going to do my brows off camera and I'll be right back. Y'all, I am really getting super excited about these color slides that I keep getting way ahead of myself, that I almost forgot to mention and apply. Literally my most favorite product that I've been using for the past week or so has been the Tower 28 Bronzino in Best Coast. I had this product for a while and I actually wasn't using it. I used it once, I think, yeah, one time, and I liked it, and I put it to the side, and I picked it back up last week, and OMG, y'all, I love this stuff. It is so pretty. It leaves the prettiest bronzy glow on my face. I'm going to show you, and I'm going to show you how I apply it as well. I take my damp Real Technique sponge and I dip it just like that. I get a good amount of product on the sponge, as you can see here. And I just like to take it exactly, you know, where I would bronze. So if you don't know where to bronze, you do like a 3 on your face. There you go. And I always start on my cheek area and I'll apply it just like that. And you can already see how pigmented the product is. It's so pretty. And I just blend it out just like that. So the first color slide I'm gonna go in with is Fuzz Club, and it is a baby blue color, and baby blue is my absolute favorite color, so I was really excited about this one. And I'm gonna zoom you in, and I always like to start in the middle. I'm gonna take a little bit of the makeup off my eyelid right here because I did get concealer foundation on there. I think taking off just a little bit of that makeup that was on my eyelid helps the color slide show up even more. It's not getting mixed in with foundation. And I'm just gonna attempt to do a little wing here. So there is Fuzz Club, and this color is a very light color, so you probably, you will have to go over it a few times just to get it to be more opaque. But it definitely will go more opaque if you just keep going over it a few times like I am here. I applied the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara. I think that's what it's called. It's pretty lengthening. It's really pretty, actually. I really like this mascara. Ilia did send that over to me to try out, and I really do like it. But this is what Fuzz Club looks like once you have, you know, mascara on. I really, 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 really like this color. What do you guys think about Fuzz Club? This is definitely probably going to be one of my favorites out of all of them. So now I'm going to take this off and we're going to go into the next color. Now here I'm going in with Early Girl, which is more of a seafoam green, and Fuzz Club was more of a baby blue. This one seems to be more opaque than Fuzz Club as well, at least on my skin tone. I think I want to add like something up here. I saw on the Glossier website they were doing really cool like things up here, like another line. I guess we're just gonna go with that for this one. I'm gonna try to do the same thing on the other eye, and I'll be right back so we can see how Early Girl is. As you can see here, I tried my best to do a more creative look, kind of like the ones that I was seeing on the Glossier website. I'm not used to this type of look on me, and again, they're not symmetrical, and I'm not the best at eyeliner. I'm just like really intrigued by it, and I love the way it looks on other people. That's why I picked up these products, and just to try them out on myself and my skin tone, because I haven't really seen many darker skinned people using them. So I just really want to see how they look on me and show you guys how they look on me as well. Yeah, this is Early Girl, guys. Again, I really like this color. It's a really pretty seafoam green, very different than Fuzz Club. I mean, I guess similar as in they're bluish. Well, one is blue, one is a blue green, which is this one. So now I'm gonna take this off and we're gonna get into the two warm tone colors that I have. So I'll be right back. Just so this video wouldn't be so long, I went ahead and applied Jumbo, which is the orange color slide, and Nectar, which is the deep mustard yellow color slide. I applied them both to my eyes. I'm gonna zoom in actually instead of coming in. And I put Nectar at the front and Jumbo at the end on this eye, and I did the opposite on this eye. I feel like Jumbo is very pigmented, but it didn't go on as opaque as I thought it would at first. You do kind of have to do, you know, a couple swipes on each one, but they slide onto your eyelids so easy. There's like no tugging. The only time I experienced tugging was when I kind of let it dry, and then I tried to go on with another layer just to see what it would do, you know, just to see if the color would get more intense, brighter. And it does, but it does tug a little bit once you let that first application of it dry down. I really like both of these colors as well. I love all four of the color slides that I got. I feel like they're all very unique. I'm just gonna finish off my look. I'm going to be applying, I have a little bit on right now. Didn't have it on the whole video, but I'm going to be putting on the new Ilia Balmy Gloss Tinted Lip Oil. And this is in the shade Saint. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit of that. These are like some of the best lip glosses I've ever tried. I don't really like lip gloss, but I really, really like these. They're like a hybrid between a lip balm, a lip gloss, and a lip oil. That's why the name is probably Balmy Gloss Tinted Lip Oil. Is literally all of those things. That's what it feels like on the lips. And I really like this color. I feel like it really complements the eye look that I have going on. And now I'm going to finish off my look with some highlighter because I don't have any on yet. And Aether Beauty actually just sent me their new highlighter, and I haven't tried it yet. And it's the Supernova Crush Diamond Highlighter, and this is in the color Yellow Diamond Dust. In there like 2-3 times. Tap it again twice. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah. And this is my completed look, you guys. Really like the Glossier color slides. I feel like they go on really easily. They really do slide over your eyelid. I like all the colors that I have. I low-key want more, even though I don't need them. But I really like the way that all of them look, and I think this look is really, really pretty too. Everything else that I used, it's just products that I've been loving the past few weeks, and I wanted to showcase them along with my little mini review and demo of the new color slides that I picked up. Let me know what you guys think about the Glossier Play color slides. Which color was your favorite, and if you'll be picking any up. I'm so glad to be filming again back here on YouTube. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone is staying safe and just staying sane in this world right now. There is just always something going on that is unsettling. This is Keeping It with BB, and I'll catch you guys next time.